Ụmụ akwụkwọ ndewonu. Aha m bụ Oriakụ Onyeije. Abụ m onye nkụzi Igbo gị. Today we'll be discussing pronouns. Pronoun means nnọchiaha. Pronoun means nnọchiaha. The pronouns we have in Igbo language are mu, meaning I or me. Anyị, meaning we. Gị, I or I. Gị, I or I, meaning you. Ya, meaning him or her. O and O. O and O, meaning he, she, or it. Unu, meaning all of you. Ha, meaning they, them, or their. A and A, which stands for someone. Remember, in Igbo language, we do not have a specific pronoun for male or for female. So we use all these pronouns I mentioned for both male and female. Also, some of the pronouns are selective of vowel. Some of them obey the vowel harmony rule, meaning that some of the pronouns that are heavy vowels, example, A and E and O, these ones, they go with heavy vowels in the verb. While A, E, and O, which are light pronouns, they also work with heavy, light verbs. Let me make example with those ones that are selective. Example, O jere ahịa. O jere ahịa. He or she went to the market. Ọ bịara ụlọ. Ọ bịara ụlọ, meaning he or she came home. Ị ga-abịa. Ị ga-abịa, meaning you will come. Ị siri ofe. Ị siri ofe, meaning you cooked soup. Gị ka m na-ekwu. Gị ka m na-ekwu, meaning you are the one I'm talking about. Gị ka m na-ekwu, you are the one I'm talking about. So these are the ones that select vowels. The other pronouns are jere ahịa, I went to the market. Mụ na gị ga-abịa, you and I will come. Anyị ga-abịa, we will come. Ha na-abịa, they will come. M nyere ya ego. M nyere ya ego, I gave him or her money. Unu ga-abịa. Unu ga-abịa, you people will come. A tara anụ. A tara anụ, someone chewed meat. E siri ofe. E siri ofe, someone cooked soup. These are some of the pronouns we have in Igbo language. I would like you to go and practice with these pronouns. Ndewo. Ka ọ dị.